Hi, Susan. It's nice to have you here today.
And so nice to be with you too, Maralee.
Excuse me. I'd like to be introduced. Oh, this is Miss Cratchet, and this is my friend Susan.
Hi, I'm happy to be with you too, and I've got a question for you. Do you like taking baths?
Indeed, I do.
Well, that's great, because I'm going to show you how you can take a nice bath with soft water that smells really pretty by dropping something in there called a bath bomb or bath fizzy.
Wow, bath bomb. Which would like that?
Oh, wouldn't he, right?
All right, how do I do that?
These are real easy to make and so much fun. Now I have something started here, and I'm just going to add some baking soda here, and I would want 3 parts baking soda to make the water nice and soft.
All right, 3 parts baking soda.
That's right.
That's the stuff you put in your refrigerator.
That's exactly right. You
so
buy
that it doesn't smell.
That's right. You buy it at a grocery store. Now, if you would like the bath bombs to sizzle and fizzle, now you don't have to add this, but if you put 1 part citric acid.
Citric acid.
That's right. Now that sounds awful, but that citric, it comes from fruit. It's a preservative.
Yes, I used to do a lot of freezing fruit.
Okay, well that's what you would have used. Now I'm going to mix that up. Now you don't have to add any scent to this, but if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of scent to make it smell nice. And now all we've got to do is moisten our mixture. So I've got some water in this container, and you could have witch hazel there as well. And I'm going to add food coloring to this.
All
Just
right.
a few drops, because I'd like my bath bombs or bath fizzies to have a little bit of color. Now, the only mistake that you could make is to put too much moisture in the bowl. So you want it to be just a little bit
look
damp.
at it. It's already fizzling.
Yes, now you don't want it to fizzle too much. I'm going to mix that up. So you just want it to be damp but not wet.
Does it hurt?
Of course it doesn't hurt. Most of this is food that you would eat, right?
So children could do this.
Of course, and
That's
it's
right.
so much fun to do. So you can see, I'm going to show you how you can tell when you're done. The mixture kind of holds together, but it's not wet yet.
All
okay?
right.
And once we do that, we have to put this into a mold. And I have one here, and I'm going to show you something that
Now,
you could use
what
at
if you
home.
can't find a place to buy a mold like
Okay.
this?
If you can't find a place to buy a mold, you could use something like egg cartons. You've got some there right beside you, Maralee.
Just styrofoam egg cartons.
That's right. And they don't even have to
That's good recycling.
That's exactly. They don't have to be pushed together. This is going to make a round bath fizzy. Even muffin tins could make
Oh.
some nice bath fizzies. Now I'll put that together, and it can sit for about 15 minutes, and then in 15 minutes it'll just pop right out, and I'll have a bath fizzy that makes wonderful gifts, don't you think?
Indeed, and I could wrap it up with cellophane
That's right.
and a fancy ribbon, and you've got it. Friends at home, I hope that you're going to try this and have a lot of fun with it.